So welcome back coders. Today we are diving into JavaScript Basics. JavaScript Basics has three types: variables, data types, and operators. So let's get started from JavaScript variables. In JavaScript variables, these are three types: var, let, and const. Var is a old version, old way avoid using it. Nowadays coders are not using var used before ES6. ES6 means ECMA script. It is introduced at 2015. Has function scope but no block scope. Can be redeclared and updated. Let, second let. This is a modern and recommended. Nowadays we are using this. Block scope. Only accessible inside curly bracket. Where defined. Can be updated but not redeclared in the same scope. We can redeclare where but not let. Third, const. Constant can't change block scoped and cannot be updated or redeclared. It can modify it but not redeclared and update. ओके तो स्टार्ट करते हैं. तो एक js2 नाम का फोल्डर है. मैं एक फाइल क्रिएट करेंगे demo.js एंड चेक where where को डिफाइन करेंगे where इक्वल टू रखते हैं 20. नाउ console.log x. Now run this. Okay, here is our output. And now without defining any variable, what will print this? Console.log x semicolon will return undefined. It shows either. Now redeclare this where variables. Now where x equal to 12, and now redeclare this where x equal to 23. But in case of let, it cannot possible to redeclare it. Console.log x. Now run this program. It will redeclared. Now our output is 23. Save this. Now comment out this. Okay, no problem. Now we are declare this inside the block. If true, curly bracket where message is equal to hello world semicolon. Now use it outside the block function. Console.log message. Now run this program. It will return hello world. But in case of let, it is not possible to access this object outside the block. Now ओके तो हमने where अच्छे से पढ़ लिया है. Now let's discuss let x equal to 20. In case of where we had redeclared that, but now we are trying to redeclare that, but it's not possible. Let x equal to 25, but it shows error. Console.log x. We are running this, but it shows error. It shows identifier x has already been declared. Now it can be updated. Let x equal to 20. Now we are updating it to 30. Console dot log x semicolon curly bracket. Now this is updated, and now print 30. Now check let can be accessible outside the block if true, curly bracket, let message equal to hello world console dot log message. Now run this program. Source error. Message is not defined because we are access it outside the function block function. Now we are accessing it inside the block function. Console dot log message. Now run this program. It shows hello world. Okay. Now we are using constant. कांस्टेंट का यूज करते हैं किसी कांस्टेंट वैल्यू के लिए जो म्यूटेबल ना हो. Now check const pi equal to 3.1416. Now we are updating this. Pi equal to 3.14 semicolon and console dot log parenthesis and return pi. It will not update it because this is constant value. So it shows error assignment to constant variable. So this is a constant value. We cannot update this. Now our output. Let's see how we can modify constant. Const person equal to name Alice and age 25. Now we are updating. Not updating. We are modifying this constant value. Person dot age equal to 26. Now print this. It can modify it or not. Person, run this program. Now here is our output. Name Alice and his age is 26. In JavaScript Basics, second is JavaScript data types. JavaScript has two main categories of data type. Primitive data types stored directly in memory. In reference type stored as objects referencing memory locations. There are two types of data types, primitive and reference type. Now we are explain primitive data types. In primitive data types, there are six types of data types: string, number, boolean, undefined, null, and symbol. Now let's let's discuss from examples. Let read equal to hello coders semicolon and console dot log read. This is our string output. String data type. Now discuss our next data type, number. Number data type. Let number equal to 24 semicolon console dot log number. Those one number. Now we are using our next data type. Now we are discussing Boolean data type. Boolean data type. Okay. Let is coding 1. True. Console.log check coding is fun and run this program. It shows true. We write here true. After Boolean, we will discuss null. Let not null data type. Let empty equal to null. Console.log empty. Empty value. Now run this. Shows 0. Now check our null data type. Null data type. Let empty value is equal to null. Console.log empty value. This program it shows null. Now next check our next data type symbol. Now let's discuss symbol data type. Let symbol 1 is equal to symbol id. Console.log symbol 1 semicolon and this program shows symbol is not defined. Why this shows this error? Because of we are not write here symbol as capital letter. First letter of symbol will be capital letter. Now symbol id. Symbol is id. Okay, let's discuss our next data type. Now we are discussing our reference data type. These are primitive data types. Now discuss our reference data type. Arrays, objects, and functions. So let's check by using examples. Data type. In reference data type, we are discussing arrays. Let person equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Console.log now returning our full array. Here is our output. Now we are accessing one element of this array, one value of this array. Uh, person, not person, 0. 0 means 1. Its start index of any array is starting from 0. Now we are accessed 1. Here is the output 1. Now we are accessing our fourth element 5. Console.log person 3. We should write here 3 to access fourth element of this array. Okay, now our output is 5. Let's discuss our next reference data type. Now discuss objects. Today we are not discussing these in depth, but we will discuss these in next videos in depth. Let students is equal to name equal to uh, Perry, and his her age is 20. Here is something wrong. Let's check. Okay, we cannot use here equal, should use colon. Now print this program console.log students dot name. Name is Ferry. Now print this full program of objects students. Name Ferry and age 20. Now discuss function. Functions. Function let not we are using in functions. Function treat curly bracket return hello orders. Now we are accessing this console.log greet. Here is function greet. Oh, now return this program to hello coders. Okay, coders. Now discuss our next topic, operators. Now discuss JavaScript operators. JavaScript has three types of operators. Arithmetic operators. We are using these in mathematics: plus, minus, multiply, divide, and modulus. Second, comparison operators: greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to, and is equal to, and is equal to. Third, logical operator and or not. So let's check it out by using examples. Now discuss our arithmetic operators. Let a equal to 45 and let b equal to 35. Console.log console.log a plus b. Directly we are at these, and now we are using third variable. um, let a equal to 5. Now we cannot use a, so let we use capital A. Let b equal to 23. Let c equal to a plus b. Console.log Now run this program. Here is our output 28. This will work. And now check the use minus arithmetic operator. Let a1 equal to 23. Let a2 equal to 43. And minus this a1 minus a2. Run this program. The output minus 20. Now let value 1 equal to 23 and let value 2 equal to 3. Console log value 1 minus value 2. And run this program. Check. Here is the output 20. Let's check the use multiply. By using this same code, we will change this value a. We cannot use same variable name uh, at next line. Here our output. Oh, sorry, multiply this. Now here our multiplication 69 should use semicolon each line. Use divide. Let num1 equal to 12. Let num2 equal to 3. Console. Oh sorry. Console.log num1 divided by num2. Here our output 4. Let's check our next arithmetic operator modulus. In mathematics we are using this as percent symbol. Let uh, number 1 equal to 45. Let number 2 equal to 3. Let's check what will our remainder. You should know that how to use modulus. Remainder is used for modulus is used for remainders. Here our remainder is 0. Now we are dividing by 4, so it will return 1 as output. Now we are using 7, it will return 3 as remainder. Okay, now our arithmetic operators has been done, so let's discuss our next operators. Console.log 10 is greater than 5. What will our output? Is true. 10 is greater than 5. Now check as opposite. Console.log 10 less than 5. No, it returns false. Now console.log 5 less than 20 semicolon and check it out, returns true. Now use equal less than and equal to console dot log 5 less than and equal to 20. It returns true. In case of we are using here 20, it will also return true because of this equal console.log 20 is greater than and equal to 30. It returns false just because of 30 is greater than 20. Okay, let's check the use of loose equality or strict equality by using is equal to console.log 20 equal to 20 as a string. This is a loose equality will return true. In case of strict equality, it will return false. So let's check 20 is equal to string 20 strict equality will return false. Here our output. Now check it has been done to comparison operators. Now discuss our next operator, logical operator. Console.log true, true and false. Or let's check, it returns false. Case of this is a AND operator. Console.log true or false or operator. Let's check, it returns true. Console.log true is not true. It returns false because we are using not operator. We will discuss these in depth in next videos. So thank you guys for watching me.